Have you ever wondered why your motorcycle intercom suddenly disconnects while riding? Some riders immediately think their intercom is defective, but in reality, even expensive communication systems can disconnect from time to time. Today we'll explain why it happens and how radio frequency works. We'll also look at why Jabbre is designed to reconnect automatically so you can focus on the ride. Communication is key on the road, but the technology behind it is more complex than a simple wire. Motorcycle intercoms communicate using radio signals through Bluetooth or mesh technology. Think of radio frequency like an invisible bridge connecting riders. As long as the bridge is clear, communication remains stable. But unlike a wired connection, radio signals travel through the air, and many things can affect them. Since these signals move through open space, they are subject to the environment around you. Whether you're using the JMax using mesh technology or the Quad Pro using Bluetooth, the fundamental physics of radio frequency remain the same. These devices are built to handle the ride, but they still have to navigate the world's physical obstacles. So why does your intercom disconnect? Several things can weaken radio signals, often things you might not even notice while riding. Large trucks are one of the most common culprits, physically blocking the line of sight between two devices. In urban environments, tall buildings create a concrete jungle that can disrupt and scatter radio waves. Mountains and hills are even more formidable. If there's a literal mountain between you and your buddy, the signal can't just pass through it. And of course, distance is a factor. Every radio system has a limit, and as you drift apart, the signal naturally weakens. Then there's heavy wireless traffic. In areas with lots of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices, the airwaves get crowded. Sometimes the signal becomes too weak to maintain communication. That's perfectly normal, even for premium systems. The important question isn't whether a signal will ever be interrupted. It's how quickly your intercom recovers. With Jabbre, once you're back within range, compatible models automatically reconnect without manual pairing. Another factor is the quality of the chipset inside. Selected Jabbre models use Qualcomm chipsets for dependable connectivity. A quality chipset contributes to more stable connections and faster pairing compared to lower-cost alternatives. It's also worth checking for NTC certification in the Philippines, ensuring compliance with telecommunications standards. Jabbre products carry this certification, meaning they are approved radio equipment for your peace of mind. So remember, a momentary disconnect doesn't mean something is wrong. It's just the nature of wireless communication. Jabbre is designed to keep you connected and focused on the ride. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.